Pandas. Pandas. We got a new shitting president. Make America great again. Pandas. Pandas. Make America great again. Yeah. Pandas. I mean, I couldn't find anything specific to wear, but I feel like this is the most appropriate hat to wear with our new elected president, Donald J. Trump. This is the closest thing I can find to represent what the winners of America. These are the type of people who won. That's all I gotta say. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Pandas! Make America great again. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. We are trading the Nascraq every single day here. If you didn't know, we had an election yesterday in the United States. If you didn't know. If you've been sleeping under a rock, if you were born yesterday, if today is your first day on Earth, yesterday we had an election. Trump swept. He took the popular vote, took the electoral votes. He won I think he won every single swing state. Did he win every single swing state? He virtually won every single swing state. That's crazy to me. That's actually crazy. It just shows the secret weapon of getting elected is to have an assassination attempt on your life. That is a secret weapon. That is a Trump card. That's literally Trump's card. It was to try to get assassinated. And if you survive assassination, I mean, there's some due respect there. There's some due respect. And he kept going. It's actually crazy. Good morning, my pandas. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali, good morning. Day Trader, good morning. I made too much money and can't trade today, so I may buy some more even for the back pocket. Nice. Aman Rana, good morning. Mawashi, good morning. Day Trader, I'm watching crude oil for shorts. Benali, some are still being counted. Some votes still being counted. Bill 7, good morning, pandas. Scalp that like button. In honor of President Trump being elected, I'm wearing my beer hat. Hugh, I say your avatar is appropriate. Beer drinking, country accent, and generally uneducated. All right. All right. Thomas Masters, good morning. Bub Stocks, good morning. Good morning, Sensei. My young grasshopper. Market opening 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, did we go anywhere other than long? Oh, whoa, whoa. Try to get in there. Did we go anywhere other than long today, pandas? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, this was yesterday, right? This was yesterday's price action. Do you see this, pandas? Yesterday's price action. And then boom, today. Basically, we were doing nothing for the last 4 days and then blast off into the stratosphere. We're like SpaceX when it comes to trading. Is the slogan still "Make America Great Again"? Is that still the slogan? Or is it like "Fix America" or something like that? I don't even know the slogans anymore. Oof. No tax on tips. You know what? That's pretty nice. It's "Make America Greater Than Ever Before." Make America greater again. The market's a bit confused actually. We are actually chopping right now on the higher time frames. Got an inside bar on the 2500 tick. Okay, now we're breaking outside the inside bar. I mean, do I want to go short today? I guess maybe. We gotta look at the price action. What is the market cycle today? If it's choppy, we gotta be realistic. Ooh, can start to break out a little bit here. Ooh, ooh, look at this inverted head and shoulders type situation here. I don't know if it's a head and shoulders if it's like this strong of a V bottom. I guess that makes sense. The general principles still are true here. Big push up and big push back down. Coming back into, could be a failed breakout. In this trade, let's see what happens here. I mean, either we start really breaking out here or we would just reverse, break my neck. Either or, I'm okay with.
Target filled.
Got our first target, pandas. I'm gonna break even now. Oh, trade copier's not on. No! I turned it off the other day. Why? Pandas, I'm making so many rookie mistakes right now. Trade copier is off. Darn it. Darn it. I mean, might as well. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? I basically have to get out of this trade in order to enter in with the rest. Because if I turn the trade copier on now, it's going to be all messed up. Right? Because it's going to enter when I sell here on my other accounts. Okay. Got the fourth push up. Not much follow through here after this strong push up. It's looking ugly. I might not get much here. Pandas can dream though. Pandas can dream. Can't they? Pandas can absolutely dream here. Got a second entry long setting up. Sure, why not? Let's double up our position again here, see what happens. Whoa! Stop that. Wow!
Target filled.
Take it. This is a second entry long. Just a second entry long here. Can we get more than this is the question. Higher or low? Higher low? I kind of like the higher low here. It's been a little bit choppy. It's been retracing a lot here. Maybe converting to limit order market. Fortunately, I'm on like one single account right now, which is stinky. Ooh, higher low here. I'll take the higher low if we get one. Jeez. Can't even get in. I'll be happy with whatever happens here. Okay. Jeez. I mean, do I ever stop? I'll just keep putting behind every single pivot. I mean, our threshold is static now. If you look at our accounts, the top account, it's completely static, so we can just keep swinging here. So I don't mind how high this goes. We'll just keep rising it on every pivot here. Keep raising our stop loss. Just see how much money we can make. I just wish my other 4 accounts were involved, but or my other 3 accounts were involved, but right now, dumb old Panda forgot to turn on the trade copier. It's not often I turn it off, so I didn't think about turning it back on. It's not often I turn it off, Pandas. Another pivot to work with, sure, why not? Just keep working with the next pivot. I don't mind. It's just not much to lose, Pandas, so just keep raising it. I mean, I only lose this much here. But potential to gain like a lot here. I mean, I'm just gonna keep raising it with every single pivot high created. Okay, this could be the one that takes me out, possibly. I only lose like maybe 200 bucks. All right, just keep raising it up. Why not? Why not, Pandas? Got 5 pushes up here. I mean, I've seen 12 pushes, 13 pushes. I've seen 20 pushes up. Got, wow. Pandas, what's happening here? Make futures great again. Make America trade again. Alright, I think I'm done here.
Target filled.
Alright, I'm done. 2,700 Pandas. 2,700. I'll take it. I'll take it. I could have got more too. Jeez Louise. I mean, pandas. You know the nice thing about these accounts? It doesn't matter how much money I make. Because I need to get these accounts up to like 1,300, like 13,000 in order to 13,000 account profits. I think I took out in the right spot. I think I took it out the right spot. I saved myself, you know, a couple points here. Now my other accounts, pandas. Can we get my other accounts up here? Is a question. I mean, I'm just gonna go long. Just going long all day, every day. Second entry long here. Could be overextended though. But I mean, you gotta try, pandas. You gotta try the second entry long here. Even as ugly as it might be, you gotta try the second entry long here. We just finished a breakout. Any pullback you imagine being quite small. Ugliest signal bar I've seen in my entire life. But it is what it is. We're trading our other accounts here. You can look at the top left of your screen. Maybe I'll change. You know what? Yeah, it actually already changed, so you can see it. If it reverses here, it is what it is. I mean, I'm not going to take the reversal here. Even if it reverses, I don't care. I mean, you got to try to go long in this situation. When it's this strong, in fact, I'll double the position if it pushes up again here. Jeez. All right. It's getting very choppy. Takes me out. It's a second entry long off the 20 MA. I mean, you got to try, pandas. I mean, can you blame me for trying right there? I mean, I might just try again. I might just try again here. I hope I don't get chopped up. It's starting to look like a limit order market. It's an ugly looking... Jeez Louise, how ugly can you get? Try one more time here. A failed trap, basically. I'm trying to go long. We're going to keep trying to go long, pandas. Make America great again. Pandas. Make America great. Make America even greater. Okay. I'm going to set up my pause, wait for a bounce off on the higher time frames. Seems like the pullback is a bit stronger than I thought it was going to be, but limit order market. I'm better off just buying here, huh? Like buying, ooh, little flush here. 2,500 tick. Maybe just coming back down to 20 MA. I could try the 2,500 tick, 20 MA. I could try. Whoops. Maybe something like this where we're off 20 MA, also off our trend line. You can consider something. This is 2,500 tick chart. You can pretty much draw the same trend line on the 500 tick. Just boop. Several bounces here. It's pretty much the same thing here. The trend line is the same. Obviously, 20 EMA is not the same. Oh, almost gets filled. It missed us by a tick. It actually missed us by a tick here. Yikes. Missed us by a tick. Absolutely missed us by a tick. I'm going to sit here, though. Another push down. Miss us by a tick again, pandas. It just keeps missing us by a tick. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Okay, a little bit of fall through. What is going on here, pandas? I mean, I guess. If you're gonna bounce off our trend line this often, one final test of the trend line. It's dripping. Flushing. Interesting. Trend line gets sliced through. There was an attempt, right, to bounce off of it. There was like an attempt right there, but it doesn't really hold. 5 minute. We're just floating in outer space right now. That first reversal of the super strong uptrend, that's just wild though. That's just wild. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, I was trying to go long, but after I saw a couple bounces like this, I didn't like it anymore. Right, it had several attempts to bounce, and then it never did. So sometimes you gotta just let it go. You know what I mean, pandas? Maybe a breakout retest of some sort here. This could be a strong support here. Why not? Why not? Should I just be looking for a short trade right now? Don't get married to anything. Like, I thought it was going to be long all day, but should I just start going short here? We just retraced everything that we gained in the uptrend here. Absolutely retraced the pandas. Like, if the downtrend is as strong as the uptrend here, I mean, you can at least say trading range. Right, this meets the minimum requirements of a trading range. Big up, big down. Got 7 pushes down. 7 pushes up, 7 pushes down. Interesting. Okay. Do I just buy at the bottom of the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart? Dare I, pandas? Dare I do something as lunatic, as menacing, as buying at the bottom of a bear bar on the 5-minute chart? Do I do anything as diabolical as that? Of course. Of course, pandas. The only way you can... Sometimes the market's crazy. Sometimes you gotta out-crazy the market. You know what I mean, pandas? We gotta time this perfectly. Right when it closes, we need to buy it. Alright, not bad. Ooh. I don't really want to extend it. I'll just take the hit. I was thinking it would just be a full-blown reversal, like limit order market. If I get crushed. I get absolutely crushed right there. Bad move, pandas. I don't know what I was thinking. I've just seen so many markets do this. We're just continuous downtrend forever. I shouldn't have messed with a small pullback downtrend like this. I should have just kept going short. That was my mistake, pandas. Dumb mistake. Dumb mistake. Do I keep going short? Here's a question. That's a bar reversal at the bottom of the channel. Should not have tried to catch that falling knife. Coming back up to the top of this channel. How much does the market love this channel here? How much does it love it? Okay, not too much anymore. I'm not close to my thresholds here, no? No, not at all. Alright, we're still good. Still looking for a long trade here, pandas. I think this big up, big down is inducive to a indicative or inducive. I guess you said inducive. Inducive to a trading range. High or low here. Of course, I like the fails against a short here. Gotta break a trend to new low at this point as well. Well, why not? Why not? Ooh, I'll take a second short here, maybe. Maybe. Looking for the new low. Same idea here, though, right? First, second entry long. The second entry long here. Same idea, right? It can just reverse on you. Break your neck. Ooh, very strong push up. Very ugly looking signal bar. I mean, this could just reverse. This could just trap. Basically, same thing that happened before. Yikes. Alright, okay. I'm not going to go short here, pandas. I think the market wants a big bounce here. I'm going to take the trap here. Even though we kind of want that new low, I'm guessing the trap is the best trade here. Just because of the potential trading range price action we have. Whoa. Alright, we're in. We need a big reversal here. Could fail. This trap could fail. Definitely could fail. Jeez. Alright, I'm sorry. Looking for that new low. Should have been patient and actually waited for that new low. I just got too eager to reverse this trade. Got way too eager, but new low makes sense here. Got way too eager. Just sitting on my pause here. I guess waiting for a fail second entry long at this point. I'll take the outside bar reversal as well. Just looks very, looks like it definitely wants to push down here. Oh. I'm not sure how far down it wants to go. But I think it definitely wants to make a new low here. Ooh, you gonna take me out here? Ooh, don't take me out. Not like this. If it goes way above the 20 MA, then I'll just take the hit. Usually don't do that. I usually don't move my stop loss. Wow, a failed trap on this side as well, huh? Okay, let's just take the hit. If I lose a trade, I lose a trade, and I know when I lose. I know when I've lost. Right, when you get another trap trade here and it fails like that, when you're looking for that new low, this is getting very tricky. I don't like this at all. That's crazy, pandas. We just had like lots of craziness. Failed trap here, failed trap here. Whoo-wee. These accounts are getting wrecked. I mean, we basically did the exact opposite of my other account. The 2500 tick chart went absolute chop fest. It went into absolute chop fest. I guess. Second just short, but it's an absolute chop fest, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. It could really mean nothing here. Let's see what happens here. Oh, traps. Yikes. I'm getting chopped up like crazy, pandas. I'm getting absolutely just destroyed right now. Actually, just an outside bar reversal. This is actually crazy, pandas. Okay, we're in this trade.
Target filled.
Couldn't even move my... The Ninja Trader is so slow, I couldn't even move my target here. But who knows what's going to happen, pandas. I mean, we got a winner. We got one winner. I'll take it. I'll take it. Jeez Louise. It's still in a huge limit order market here. When it looks like this, though, this looks very bearish to me, in my opinion. It actually looks very bearish. It just has this like... I don't know. I mean, I'll admit when I'm wrong. I'll admit it. Maybe not. Maybe not so bearish. Jeez, bounce back up. Maybe I'm glad. I'm glad I couldn't move my target because it hits it perfectly here. Outside bar reversal on the 2500 tick. Look at the 2500 tick is just absolute chaos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. But the 5 minute literally is just just 2 overlapping bars in a row. Sometimes it's better just to trade that higher time frame because of this chop. Should I continue? The trading range price actually come back to the bottom here. Higher low here. It looks like a double bottom now. Is that the case, pandas? Double bottom, perhaps. Let's see if we can make something juicy here. We gotta shoot for the stars. Shoot for the stars, man. Shoot for the stars.
Target filled.
Okay, we got the first target. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Did we find it, pandas? Did we find the trade of the day here? How high can you fly? Double bottom sitch. And we found a nice reversal here. Breakout mode. I mean, we're basically just making up all our losses right now. Pretty big losses right now. So the first goal is get to break even. How about that? Another push up here. Big strong push up. Big bull bar with no follow through. A little bit scary. Big bull bar with no follow through. Usually not a good sign if you're long. A second entry long. Interesting. Second entry long here. It's floating mid-air, but it's floating in mid-air, but you gotta trade like you just don't care. Alright, second entry long here. Let's see if we get something juicy here. Signal mar's not the best. Signal bar's even worse. Darn. Might just take me out. No chance on that runner, pandas. Absolutely no chance on that runner. This is beneath the 20 man. I mean, I can't even take this long. Or can I, pandas? Darn, that runner went nowhere. Like I said, strong bull bar with no follow through is not a good sign. And this is why. This is exactly why. We had like a nice move up. I really thought we could just fly here, but proves not to be the case, pandas. I know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta try. When the opportunity's there, you gotta try. Christian Demon, one thing I believe is that no matter how Panda loses, he makes a crazy comeback. I am capable of the biggest comebacks, only because I have the biggest losses. The only reason why you need a comeback is because you lose. It's kind of sad. I trapped this trigger here, but it's really first break of trend here. I'm really upset. My accounts weren't copied over, and now I'm in this predicament here. Like, I'm done trading on my other account. Like, the first account, we're like 6K. We're up 6K altogether. And we hit the static threshold, which is like, you know, a nice milestone to hit when you're on these funded accounts. Hitting that static threshold is the first goal. Now you can swing freely. You can really swing as much as you want at this point, and it's okay. Okay. Interesting. It's really weird price action right here. Completely choppy here. It's like a push down, then trading range. Most likely another push down. It's like a bear flag essentially. Interesting. Guess I get your short setting up. I don't love it, but I guess I'll try. I really don't love it. Second just short. We're in.
Target filled.
Okay, we hit the first target. Sure, why not? It's a second just short. Terrible signal bar, but it's a bear flag, really, what I was looking at. Couldn't really move my target, right? Because I'm trying to move my stop loss first. Typically, I like to move my stop loss first because I don't mind scalping out very quick. But if I get stopped out because I don't move my stop loss, that's a bigger risk in my opinion. Right? At least we make profits and protect it. Right? That's it. Okay. Made the new low here. That could be all we get here. We could just fly up from now on. Pandas. Higher low. I mean, fail second entry shorts. My better setup here, Pandas. Man, but the 2500 tick, it just looks odd to me. Higher low does trigger, but it's outside bar. I like for the candle to finish before really considering this a reversal here. Okay, higher low. Very cool. I'll take the fail second entry short if we get one. Sure, why not? Sure, why not? John Q removed my sell button for the next 4 years. Pretty much. Alright. Fail second entry short. That's what I'm looking for if I can get one. It might be one of those like situations where you just gotta go long. Like, you just gotta go long somewhere. Wide stop. Just keep going long. If we end up doing anything else I can short, I'll scale in. in this trade. If anything, I could use this as my stop loss now. I'm expecting at least a new high here. Right, minimum, new high. Let's see if we can get it. Almost. But we get a runner. Even if we hit this, we get a runner. Ooh, so close. All right. Now we just want that new high. Or now we just want to have a runner. Like just a super runner if we can get it. Like an ultra mega Optimus Prime type situation runner. Super mega runner of all time type situation. If we can get it. Maybe today's not the day for runners. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. Make sure you guys scalp that like button, pandas. We only got 12 likes, but we have a giveaway. At 100 likes, we'll do a $100 giveaway. It just baffles me why anyone would not scalp that like button. The only thing is you probably don't know about it. Do you know about the $100 giveaway? Yes. We need to get to 100 likes first. We need to get to 100 likes. No. I don't know how to read. Do you know about the $100 giveaway, pandas? All you have to do is scalp that like button. It's so simple. So easy. Oh, pandas, why can't we get anything here? It feels like we got something juicy and then nothing happens. You gotta hate it. You gotta hate it. You gotta hate when that happens. If they ain't us, then they ain't us. If they ain't us, then they ain't us. Higher low. Beautiful. More of that, right? More of that. More higher lows. The fact that we couldn't come back down here makes me feel like this is pretty bullish. We're going to do a super mega scale in here. On the failed. Feels like it's just short. Get me in somewhere. Get me in anywhere. Anywhere, everywhere. Wow. I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. Feels like I just short 2,500 tick. Maybe coming back to the high of the day. Just making a big trading range, right? That's what I'm expecting today. Just a big old trading ranges. Something along these lines. So it seems like that's what it feels like. First target will be a 1 to 2. How about that? It's not the best follow through right now, but good enough, right? Strong bull bar ending on its high. We're in a trading range, and we are bouncing off the bottom of it, thinking our next target's the top. And we're just doing a 1 to 2 risk reward here. I guess technically our 1 to 2, I mean, we're like in this trade early. So technically our 1 to 2 should be like top of the trading range, really. Yeah, let's try to get to the top of the trading range. All right, trap and reversing. That's not a good sign. We have a trap that triggers and it reverses. It's typically not good. It basically means the trap has failed. The trap is reversing. Usually a bad sign. Usually a bad sign. But we're shooting for the stars, pandas. Right, this small risk here for this much gain. It's not bad. It's not bad. Especially considering the market cycle, right? Considering we're in a price, in a trading range. Can't make too much money today. We're up 640. Okay, pushing up. Can't make too much money. I think my max is here, pandas. I think my max is somewhere around here. Worst case scenario, come up break even. I think my max is somewhere here.
Target filled.
Pandas! Up 1645, pandas. Whew. I actually made too much money. Now I gotta lose a little bit. Are we gonna be the same situation as all our other accounts, pandas? Now I gotta lose a little bit of money. Pandas! Easy peasy. Pandas. I love the election. It just gives us so much volatility in the market. You gotta love it. The big up, big down was the clue of what was gonna happen right after this. All right, we got the big up, big down, and got this push up coming back up to the high here, and we can continue to range here. We can continue to range. Sure, why not? Logo, last time we heard this, you just kept winning. I gotta lose. Actually, I gotta lose like $100 here, pandas. I gotta lose like $100. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard to get payouts. Let me just let it be known that 10% of you guys voted saying in the poll, do you know about the $100 giveaway? And 10% of you guys says, no, I don't know how to read. If you don't know how to read, how did you even vote in the first place? It's like you only learn how to read those messages. That's it. Coming back to the 500 tick chart. Okay. Just riding along the top of this channel here right now. Can I lose, pandas? I just need to lose like 5 points. 5 points is about $100. You know, I'll just keep it at 10 here. I mean, because we had commissions to consider, so I didn't make it the full 1645. The nice thing about trying to lose is you kind of do stuff that you kind of like always wish you could do, just never had the cojones to do it. I'm trying to lose here. Oh! 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 I'm in. Okay. I don't mind if I lose. I don't want to win here, actually, pandas. I actually don't want to win. Just want to lose a little bit here. Jeez. No!
Target filled.
Okay. Pandas. Pandas. Okay. Buy anywhere, everywhere. I'm just buying here. I gotta lose this, right? I have to lose this. I'm just buying anywhere. I just bought. Surely I can lose this trade. Actually, I need to lose like a... I don't want to lose too much threshold, though. I think 200 is good. You know, 200 makes sense. I lose 200. Let's come back down here to 20 May. Oh, gosh. Right, we don't want to make too much. Maybe down here. How about that? We don't want to make too much money. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Okay. Like, I don't want to make too much money on any trade. So I don't want to extend my take profit. Otherwise, I can make too much money and then it'll be very hard to lose because now your threshold's too high. Okay, good. Oh boy. Okay, very nice. Very good. Let's lose a little bit more here. Very nice. Very good. Okay, very good.
Target filled.
Whoa. Why did it only fill one?
Target filled.
Okay, that's pretty good. I'll say 1575, including commissions, pandas. I think we're pretty much there. I think we're in a good spot now, pandas. We lost how much we should have. Pandas, I didn't want the same thing to happen like that happened on Halloween, where I just kept winning. I couldn't stop it. Pandas, we're at 27 likes. We're not. I mean, can we get to 100 likes? We used to smash 100 likes like every day on this channel. We used to smash it every single day. I have nothing else to trade, pandas. We hit our max on these accounts. 1575. I mean, is there any other reason to trade right now? I mean, I guess I could trade my other account. Like technically, I could trade this account and not copy it. You know what I mean, pandas? Just not copy it. Because this account doesn't matter how much money I make. Because of the 30% rule, like I can just make so much money on this account, and I probably won't break. It only will help. It will only help. We're kind of at the top of the trading range. This might be a bad trade, actually. A good place to reverse it here, actually. I should keep my break even there. Well, we'll see. Almost feels like a good place to reverse it since we're at the top of the trading range. Right, if we look at the 2500 tick, we're technically at the top of the trading range here.
Target filled.
All right, I'm coming out here just in case it turns a big trading range. We're basically at the top of it now. We can make a new high, sure. But I didn't want to take my chances there. We made a little bamboo. If you guys are confused on when I'm talking about thresholds and things like that, I'll take some time to explain. On October 31st, Halloween, I made $4,000 on this account in one single day. If you don't know about the 30% rule, basically, when it comes to withdrawing time, you can't have one day that is more than 30% of your account profits, right? So that means that with a 150K account, right, you can withdraw at $5,000 essentially, or $5,100, but let's just make it simple, $5,000. And so 30% of $5,000 is $1,500, which is why on these accounts right here, if you look at the bottom right of your screen, we stopped at 1575. That's why we stopped there. But with this account here, the first account you see on the top left of your screen, we made $4,000 by accident. We couldn't lose. I kept trying to lose, but I couldn't, and I just made so many profits that ended up making $4,000 on this one account. And because of that, 40 or 30%. So 4,000 is 30% of what number? 40% or 4,000 is 30% of what number? That number is 13,333. 13,333. So that means I got to get these account profits to $13,333. So the count has to be at $163,333, and that's what I can withdraw. So as long as I don't make more than $4,000 in one single day, I can make as much money as I want. As long as I make less than 4,000 pandas. Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? Am I talking crazy here? Maybe I'm not being as articulate as I can be. But man, this is getting very choppy, very grindy market here now. Just grinding along here. And I'm worried to go long because 2,500 tick is, I mean, this is a trading range and we're at the top of it. Soul Survivor. Let's make this chat great again. Scalp that like button. We're at 29 likes, pandas. It's just mind-boggling. Ooh, breaking out here a little bit. I mean, it's scary to go long here for me, even though this is just a massive uptrend. But when you have a big down, big up, you gotta kind of expect trading range. So that's what I was expecting. Let's end up kind of breaking out here, and we may never see a red bar again in our entire lives. Daily chart. Look at the daily chart. I mean, we had a small like pullback here, strong bear bar ending on its low, and the lunatics out there were just buying this bear bar with limit orders at the bottom of it, and now we're blasting off. Weekly chart. I mean, it's a it's an IOO pattern, and we just broke the top of it, showing that we are most likely breaking to the upside. Right, this is breakout. This is a breakout breakout mode, and we just broke to the top side. My goodness, pandas. My goodness gracious, pandas. We do have a second entry long for me here. I'll try. Fails like entry long here. Let's see, pandas. Bit silly, but if it's top of trading range, might as well try. And this could be the last trade of the stream. Pandas, make America great again. Hear me? MAGA. MAGA. Let's see what happens. Maybe something amazing might happen here. Maybe something amazing like I get stopped out in a millisecond. Something so cool, you get stopped out in 1 millisecond. Why not? This is what I get for trying to short this super strong uptrend, huh? I just felt like top of trading range. We got a reversal pattern here. Might as well try it. And we get slapped in the face, pandas. That's what we get for trying to short this massive uptrend. Just take me out and kind of reverse back, but at this point, it's a bit confusing, right? Trap fails. It's just confusing now at this point. Okay, strong bear bar. Anything else low? Trading range starting to form here a little bit. Let's see if we can capitalize on it. Just a little bit. It's getting very choppy. Lots of confusion. Or it might knock our socks off. Socks knocked off it is. I mean, if this formed a trading range here, this is where you sell. It is what it is. If we lose, we lose. We lose, we lose.
Target filled.
I would sell it right when it crashes. I would sell it right when it crashes. Now I'm tilted. I would sell it right when it crashes. I'm just tilted now, pandas. I'm gonna take one more trade. I gotta take one more trade. I can't lose like that. I can't end the stream like that, pandas. I just cannot. We'll take one more trade here. And this is how I basically lose all my profits just because of this tilting. Lower high here. Get ready to see all my profits. Get ready for all my profits just to melt away. Get ready, pandas. What is that? Lower high triggering. Cool. Very cool. Oh man, bear bar ending on its low. Do I just sell here? I can't. I'm too weak. My mental capital is too low. I can't do the obvious thing right now. I can't do the obvious thing right now. My mental cap is too low. One last try. One last try, pandas. And I get destroyed because I try to preemptively get into that trade. Alright. I'll take it. I'll take it. And if this doesn't do it, pandas, I think we gotta call it quits. I think we gotta call the police. I think we gotta call the police if I don't make this one. We gotta call the ambulance. Oh, this is not good. This is not looking good at all, pandas.
Target.
All right, I'll take. I'm too scared, pandas. I'm just too scared. Are these XFA? I don't know what that means. I have absolutely no idea what that means. Are these XFA? What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Wow, what a flush. I could have held it. Darn, I couldn't do the obvious thing again, pandas. I just couldn't do it. We're crashing. I mean, trading range price. Like I said, pandas, like, we're at the top of a trading range. I couldn't reverse here, which is exactly why I took this short. But I ended up doing some funky stuff here, and then after all the funkiness, it finally pushed down and crashed to where I thought it was gonna go. But the reason why I did that is because we were at the top of a trading range. That's why I took the reversal. It's unfortunate that it just needed to do some weird stuff before it actually does push down. And that's trading, pandas. That's how trading is. It's just sometimes the market is unpredictable, in my opinion. So that's why you have to have good risk reward. Good risk reward, good risk management. You can't have too big of stop losses. Your wins have to be big. And that's the only way to have longevity in this game. My bad. I thought it was the same as top tip. Evals on Apex. Yep. Are these? No, these are funded accounts. You can look at the top left of your screen. You can see that at a certain point, the account threshold turns static, and you see how it says 150, 100. That only happens with funded accounts. So that to me is proof. I don't know how much more proof I need to show you, but that's a proof that yeah, we are funded here. We're only trading funded accounts. You know what? This like channel is actually like playing out here. I drew this channel a while back. It's actually kind of playing out right now. Very cool. One more trade. One more trade for the real ones here. Question is, what are we trying to do here? We're going long or we're going short, pandas? Are we going long or are we going short is the question. It looks short to me. Having a hard time getting above the 20 MA here. Lower high being triggered on the, or maybe a trading range type sitch. %16 of you guys said, no, I don't know how to read on the poll today. That's absolutely incredible. You don't know how to read, yet you are trading. You don't know how to read, yet you read the poll. To tell people you do not know how to read. That's just amazing. I don't know how you do it. Thanks. Didn't know how Apex works. Have you dabbled with any other prop firms? I haven't. I've been with Apex for a long time, and to me, they're still the best. And in my mind, why would I do anything else? But with their new rule changes, they are starting to lose their lead in terms of being the best prop firm, like the obvious choice. So I have started to look into other prop firms. So you can see that, you know, I have my funded futures 5% off. You can also use that coupon. I'll take a second to short here somewhere. Why not? If we get one. Bouncing off our channel here. We could just be on this channel. Could just be in this channel for a while. Either we get the second to short, pandas, or we break this low and I stop the stream. One or the other is going to happen. One or the other is going to happen. All right, got the second to short. Jeez. I could not get in. Could not get in. Ooh. All right. You know what? I'll sit on my pause on that one. I'll sit on my pause on that one, pandas. A little sus there. A little sus. All right, there it is. There's a push. Wow. Very tricky, actually. I don't like it, but I'll try here. I don't like it at all. Yeah, I really don't like it. Yeah. I almost want to reverse it here at this point. I'll just take the 10-point hit. I don't want to risk more than this. This is a dead trade. It's a dumb trade. I didn't like it at all. The moment it triggered, I mean, it's a second just short, but look how far away it is from 20 MA. Everything about it was disgusting. Almost want to go long here at this point. Almost want to go long here at this point. Another push down. I don't know if I can take it. Another push down. Almost better if I just do something like this at this point. Okay, lower high. Maybe a full-blown reversal here. Perhaps, or maybe not. I was thinking it was getting choppy here, and that the 20 EMA was starting to act as a resistance, but we also have this trend line here. You can see that we might just bounce off of it and really just skyrocket back up. That is a potential outcome of this, which I don't mind. It's fine. I'll just take the hit here. We're doing so well, and we started trading this chop, and that's when things got very messy. Yikes, not good. The higher low will kill me here, in my opinion. I thought we would like have some sort of choppiness here, but doesn't seem to be so. Okay, strong bear bar ending on its low. It's okay for me. I don't know if I want to hold through this.
Target filled.
I don't know if I want to hold through this. I'll just take the failsafe entry long on the 2500 tick. It's about to form here. I'll switch over. Coming up top of the trading range. This will be my last trade of the stream. If this don't work, then we broke. Then we bork. This don't work, then we bork. The higher low could kill you. The higher low. It is murderous for the shorts. This higher low here. Coming off of our trend line here. Could be big time reversal. Could be. You'll never know. You never know. The higher low could be a good trade here to go long. Mainly because we're coming off our trend line and bouncing off the 240 SMA. 240 SMA just acted as like a perfect support here. Feels like entry short might be tempting to take to go long. I'm gonna try this. We're gonna try make a little bit of bamboo here. The sucky part about this is that the risk is huge. It's just humongous. We'll get good reward here though.
Target filled.
Pandas! Easy peasy. I'm checking if that was a 1-to-1. Yeah, I got a little more than 1-to-1 on that, which is beautiful. Beautiful trade. Right, there's my risk reward. I got almost exactly 1-to-1 on that. Beautiful trade. Pandas. We're up 3K. I mean, you thought I couldn't do it again. You thought the 4K day was going to be it. The only one day I'm going to have a huge gains. But we're at 3K now, Pandas. And hopefully we can continue getting these big gains, because that's the only way we can get payouts on this first account here. We got to get these accounts up to 13K. We're almost halfway there, though, Pandas. Actually, we're more than halfway there. I think with some more volatility, with with the election and everything being done, I think we can have a chance. But Pandas, something you need to be aware of: tomorrow we have news at 2:00 p.m. and it's huge news. And if I were a betting man, I would use tomorrow's news to pass my accounts with Apex. I would use tomorrow's news to pass as many evals as I can with one single trade using max contracts. Right, that's the best way to get funded, and or that's at least how I get funded all the time. And I like to take advantage of it while we still can. Right? Apex allows you to trade news to pass evals. Sure, I will take advantage of it as long as they'll let me. Pandas, with that being said, I think we had an amazing day today. We were just absolutely killing it. Up 3K on this account. Up 1.5 on the other accounts. Pandas, we maxed out here. I think we did great. I'm not sure if we can do any better than that. I love election day trading. Pandas, it's amazing. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And hope you guys trade safe. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.